ho, fam, bam. Welcome, thank you, ma'am, sir, Robert, Dennis. Let's get to cooking. Or looking, whichever way you want to say. All right. Where is everybody? We're gonna get another. We've got the Court Kings on the map. Oh, what you say about it? Oh, so you come to the party. Elliot, what's up, man? Robert, how you guys doing tonight? I just got back from a family cookout, chilling like a villain, if you know what I mean. But no, I'm not a villain. I'm a good guy, I promise. Guys, I apologize. All shipments I did not get out on Wednesday as promised. They will be out Monday. 100% promise you guys I'll get on top of this. Everything but Series 2 will be out. I'll probably even get these guys out next day too. So where are we at? Dennis, you tagging? You guys like what McKenna did? Yep, she got to daddy last night. At least it's green. Manly hands with green thumbs. Because we're going to pull some money tonight. That's what it's about. Pulling that money, baby. Where are we at, Dennis? Where are we at? Can I break? I don't see tags. I don't see anything. I don't know what's going on. What you say? What's going on? Where we at? Dennis. Ba-na-na-na-na-na. All right, well, I'm going to go live. All right, Atlanta Hawks going to TJ. Boston Celtics, Emilio. Brooklyn Nets is Robert. Charlotte Hornets is Robert. Bulls is going to Hector. Cavs is going to Rocky. Mavs is going to Jim. Denver Nuggets is going to William. The Pistons is going to Rocky. Golden State is Robert. Houston Rockets is Sean. Indiana Pacers is Rocky. The Clippers is Robert. The LA Lakers is Jim. The Memphis Grizzlies is Rocky. The Heat is going over to Jackson New. The Milwaukee Bucks is Rocky. The Minnesota Timberwolves is Paul. New Orleans Pelicans is Seth. New York Knicks is William. The Oklahoma City Thunder is Sean. Orlando Magic is Emilio. Philadelphia 76ers is Travis. Suns is going to Travis. Trailblazers is Travis. The Canes is Rocky Palmer. Spurs is TJ. The Raptors is Robert. Jazz is Travis. And Robert Gwynn has the Wizards. Thanks, Robert. All right, good luck, everybody. Let's see what we get. I don't know what's going on with the tags. I don't know if Dennis laid them out or not, but let's get going because it is a Saturday night. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, na, 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 na. Oh, that's weird, Dennis. I wonder why. What's up, Finger? How you doing, buddy? What you doing? Giannis. Giannis going over to our Bucks. Match my nails from my daughter, huh? Jalen Green to the Rockets. Cade Cunningham to the Pistons. Woo, buddy. A Josh Giddey to the OKC Thunder. All right. Let's go, Josh. That was different. That was a silver color. And to 99, Johnny Davis auto for the Washington Wizards. Rookie card. Washington Wizards. What's up, William? How you doing, man? Going over to Robert Gwynn. Nice, Robert, on the $4 hit. Heir apparent. Dun, 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 dun. TJ, what's up, buddy? It's a 99, Robert. Nice hit, buddy. And our mem card is going to the Knicks. Julius Randle. New York Knicks. William, you have the New York Knicks. Congrats, man. Perfect timing. Perfect timing. I pinned it to the comments, too. Hey, TJ, I feel you, man. I feel you. I just got back from a family cookout. Good times, good people. Gotta love it. You know what I mean? Tune in, William, and you get a hit. Yeah. Why not, man? A Chet rookie. There you go. For Thunder. My daughter painted my nails, guys. I promise I didn't just choose to do that. Chet's a good one. And again, we've got the first steps for Chet. New York Thunder. Jalen Williams for the Thunder, rookie. And you've got a Dyson Daniels rookie going to New Orleans Pelicans. Not bad, man. Not bad. Hey, 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 hey. What you gotta say? Yeah, I got you. Hold on. It's a nice one, right? Yeah, I like the looks of it. We have 2 more boxes of these, guys. We'll sell them as personals, too. If you're interested, just let us know. They're not that expensive, so for a personal box, you get a good deal. Anything you guys could do, you know, if you're looking for any products, let us know. We do have Select up right now, H2 and Hobby Basketball. Let's get that filled. We do have iMac up, and we're looking into possibly getting a case of iMac football. But we need to really fill these things. No, William, just that one card so far. Zach LaVine for my Chicago Bulls. Luka For the Mavs, is that Jokic? For the Nuggets. Dude, this guy, you ever see his brothers at the games? It's kind of funny to watch. All right. Emilio, what's up, man? Glad you got a break from doing that flooring. A cat, baby, red. Karl Anthony Towns, red to 149 for your Timberwolves. Thanks, man. My daughter did them. Minnesota Timberwolves is Paul Williams. Nice, Paul. Also, Paul, I'll be sending you your wrestling box here, too. Guys, do you guys want to see more, like, razzes of boxes, too? Like, is that something you guys are into, like, winning your own box? Marjan Beauchamp to 199 for the Milwaukee Bucks. Dude, that's a sick-looking card, though. Rocky Palmer. Yeah, guys, we also want to try to bring back, like, a jersey series again. Like a mystery jersey. Aubrey wants to break that, my wife. She used to always break them out for my old group, so she wants to get it. Utah Jazz, Walker Kessler. That is going over to Travis Sanders. Celtics Mojo. Let's go, Emilio. Let's get it, man. Feel ya. I mean, guys, these cards are nice. We got 2 more boxes left of this. Could do a personal for, like, I don't know what it is, but we could probably match comps. Keegan Murray. That's a cool one, too, just like the last one we had for Chet for the Kings. Paolo Banchero. First steps for the Magic. Patrick Baldwin Jr., rookie. Golden State. For the Hornets, you got a Mark Williams rookie. Yeah. You like that, TJ? All right, guys. Well, that is it for this. Take a look at what we have up right now. We have some Select and Select H2 hobby up. Let's get that filled up. Any friends, family you guys want to invite to the group, please do. We're doing our best to try to bring the best product we can for you. Thank you, everyone. Hope you have a wonderful night. Enjoy your weekend with your family. Tomorrow I got football at 8 a.m. So excited to get up at 6 tomorrow to go play. Have a great night. Thank you, fam. Wait, I lied. We got to recap. Mark Williams. Yeah, good catch, Emilio. Is it? Yeah, and don't forget about consignment either. Walker Kessler. Marjan Beauchamp. A cat to 149. The Chet. You've got a Julius Randle. And we got a Johnny Davis. And then for the other ones that I'll sleeve and top load right after this, just show you guys. Patrick Baldwin Jr., First Steps, Banchero, Jokic, Luka, Zach LaVine, Dyson Daniels, Jalen Williams, First Steps, Chet again, Josh Giddey, another good player, Cade Cunningham, good one, Jalen Green, good, Giannis. All right, guys, thank you so much. Make sure to let us know if you guys need anything. Love you guys.